Welcome back to AI for Everyone. In this video, we will examine how artificial intelligence, AI, is integrated into various aspects of daily life. We will explore practical examples of AI applications and discuss their underlying mechanisms. Let's begin with smartphone voice assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa. These systems use AI to interpret and respond to spoken commands. When you issue a command, the voice assistant first converts your speech into text using speech recognition technology. This text is then analyzed by AI algorithms to understand the intent of your request. For example, asking for weather information involves AI retrieving data from external sources and presenting it in a user-friendly format. Have you ever wondered why your social media feed looks different from someone else's? That's because of AI algorithms. These algorithms assess user interactions, such as likes, shares, and comments, to predict and display content that aligns with the user's interests. By continuously learning from user behavior, these algorithms refine content recommendations to enhance user engagement and satisfaction. AI in e-commerce recommendation engines. When you shop online or stream your favorite shows, AI is at work too. Platforms like Amazon and Netflix use AI-powered recommendation engines. AI analyzes historical data, including browsing and purchase history, to generate personalized recommendations. For instance, if a user frequently purchases books on a specific topic, the recommendation engine will suggest related products. Similarly, streaming services use AI to suggest content based on viewing patterns. AI in healthcare diagnostics and personalized treatment. AI is also making significant strides in healthcare. It is used to enhance diagnostic accuracy and develop personalized treatment plans. AI algorithms analyze medical imaging data, such as X-rays and MRIs, to assist in identifying conditions like cancer. Additionally, AI helps in creating customized treatment plans by integrating data from various sources, including patient medical history and genetic information. This approach aims to improve diagnostic precision and treatment outcomes. AI in transportation, self-driving cars and navigation systems. You've probably heard about self-driving cars, but AI is also behind the navigation systems you use every day. Autonomous vehicles rely on AI to process data from sensors and cameras, enabling them to navigate roads and make driving decisions. Similarly, navigation applications like Google Maps and Waze utilize AI to analyze real-time traffic data, optimize route recommendations, and predict future traffic conditions. As you can see, AI is already a huge part of your life, and it's only going to grow. From helping you shop online to making healthcare more precise, AI is changing the world around us. Consider how AI might evolve and influence future developments in these areas, potentially leading to more sophisticated solutions and improved user experiences. This video has provided an overview of how AI is embedded in various aspects of everyday life. We have discussed its applications in smartphones, social media, e-commerce, healthcare, and transportation. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into how AI learns from data. Stay tuned.